Would you get down? We're going to be late for Oscar Nieves Bermejo's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Oscar Nieves Bermejo's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, my friend Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Breaking news. It's Oscar Nieves Bermejo's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo. Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
Happy birthday, Oscar Nieves Bermejo.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Oscar Nieves Bermejo's party started.